hello, 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 hello. 90C, you 90C, you say hello, I say hello to you all my wonderful, my amazing, subscribers. Thank you. It's good to see you guys all. I hope all you're doing well. Welcome to another vlog with your girl. Yeah. You know this vibe, home alone vibe. Yeah. Guys, guess who's home alone? I'm home alone. Yeah. Freedom. I'm home alone today, guys. Yes. To be honest, guys, I'm supposed to be at work today, but yes, I am not working today because my car broke down. So my car broke down yesterday. In fact, I'm going to include the clip of what I did yesterday in this video. So let's get into today's activities. Like, I brought this out from the freezer. I brought this out from the freezer yesterday, so I'll be doing this. This is like roast chicken. I'll be roasting the chicken for them, and maybe I'll cook like maybe pasta, like jollof pasta for them, and maybe I've got some salad in the fridge as well. Maybe that is what they're gonna have for dinner when they come back from school. So before I do this roast, I think I have to do the cleaning first. Okay, guys, let's get it.
No, I love it. I always argue with myself. I can see the laugh.
Wait for the water to. Is it? Why is it so dark like that?
Wait, let me focus to bring like more like that.
Lights.
So then, yeah.
Still dark.
Sam, can you put that light on? No, not that one here. The one here. Hi guys, welcome to another video guys on Unedited TV. Today we are actually going to be making roast chicken and not pie and spaghetti. So let's get into the video. So I need to boil that a bit more. Mommy, the water's done.
Boil it in and add some hot water in the tap. Make sure it's level. Add a little bit of salt, oil, and put the light.
Oh, maybe I'm gonna mess up.
Careful when you're pouring the water.
How much more did I put? Like just over?
Over the pasta. Pour everything.
I need to make sure it goes around everything. This is it. A little bit of hot water, is what she said. And you don't get it ready. I'll be back. Just wait. Okay. Now. Oh, that was close. Let's put this back and turn on this. It's not cool. It's called a stove. Yeah, that's enough. Very risky. I don't know what she means by a little bit of hot water, so I'll just a bit more. And then she said to add salt. And you see how much salt she put? She said, I'm risking this a lot because I don't know how this is actually made. You actually do that. Don't forget to cover it when you're done. Yeah, she said I can cut the onions, right? You can have what? She said I can cut the onions. Not now. Not now. When? When she comes back. Mommy! You don't cut the onions now. Do you realize how dangerous that is? Mommy! Can I cut the onions? Can I cut the onions? I told you I need to go ask my mommy a question. Okay guys, so when you're doing this, you don't put any lid on top of the pot. Mommy, you might have a missed call. What are you doing? I need to move it. You don't too much. That's enough. You okay? Did I hit you? No. And just keep in mind, guys, pasta is very faster. It won't waste a lot of your time. I'm gonna do something to make it faster. And guys, we also need to be checking on the roast chicken at the same time. Like, can you definitely not ready yet. It's done, we're just gonna have to pull it out. Mom, why is this in the sink? Why is this in the sink?
What is that? Okay, put it back. I will get it.
But mommy, I'm all eating this. I'm all just eating it.
And also, you have the patty pie. Yes, I'm not making patty pie today.
I didn't smile on it. Stop clapping the fridge.
Who is that?
Absalam. I didn't let's close the fridge.
Bye. I'll give you the garlic paste and the fish.
Garlic paste. What's up? Okay. I'm talking to Arlene.
I think he's.
Chicken anywhere to being ready yet? Is the chicken ready? Mom?
Is the chicken ready, Mommy?
No, Ali, move backward. No.
No.
Chicken's still not ready.
What's happening? Mommy, is the chicken ready, Mommy?
Not yet.
Is the chicken ready?
Not yet, Arlene. We need to flip it to the other side and then flip it back.
We are buying a new car. We are buying a new car. Ah, did someone off this oven anyway? I wonder. I think someone off the oven.
God. Yeah, and actually, guys, look, the towing service is coming to tow our car. A car right there.
That's a truck. Wait, what?
Love it, like underneath.
I'm so close.
So something's blocking, guys.
Don't show the plate number. If you show it anyway, ignore it.
You can't even see the plate number. Unless there's like zoom in. I don't know. We're not hackers. So we can't look at the plate number. What will happen if they look at the plate number? I'm asking, what will happen? Oh, that looks dope. I think it's came for that. There's a stove or something. Pretty good work. Nice. Is he sure he can carry it onto that place? Oh, I know what he's doing. Yeah, he's towing. I know, it's a secret. That's the towing place where the glove is connected to. And the car is going to get towed into that place. Let's go to Carpet Town. Okay.
About 15 minutes walk or something like that.
When you wait for a taxi,
Yeah, I can remember.